Dear students, we will be discussing about protection. We had discussed about protection in the first chapter in your syllabus. We know how SSIDs are used to provide protection to all the resources that are present in a computer. Now, this protection is a mechanism for controlling access to the resources of a computer. So there are programs, processes, and users which are going to access the resources, and we know resources are shared. We have to make sure that not all processes or not all programs or even not all users are allowed to access everything, that is all of the resources of a computer system. Say for example, a user program should not be able to access operating system code. So when a user process is running, it should not accidentally access the memory location which is having operating system code. So that is what is that is where we provide protection. Now, why do we need protection? So the goals of protection are: we have to prevent mischievous, intentional violation of an access restriction by users. So let's say a malicious user wants to access some of the resources in a computer. We have to try to prevent that. That is what is this. And the protection helps to improve reliability by detecting errors. Now, there can be many errors when a system is running. One of the errors is interface errors. So, we know interfaces are nothing but functions. So, there can be errors with respect to functions. Let's say parameters are not passed properly, or proper type of parameter may not be passed, and so on and so forth, especially when system calls are executed and so on. So, protection also makes sure that it detects errors early and it makes the system more reliable. Protection is actually a mechanism for enforcement of policies governing resource use. So, protection is a mechanism which is going to enforce policies. So, there are policies already present. So, that is enforced or that is implemented by protection mechanism. Protection, mechanisms will tell you how something is done, whereas policies are going to tell you what will be done. So what will be done is determined by policies, and how these policies will be implemented is what is mechanism. Thank you.